Complex regional pain syndrome, or CRPS, inflicts excruciating pain. It is relentless and debilitating. Daily tasks become insurmountable challenges. Simple actions like a gentle breeze or a light touch can trigger agonizing flare-ups. Imagine living with a constant, searing pain that never subsides. Life with CRPS is a constant struggle against an invisible enemy. The pain is often described as burning, stabbing, or like a shock. It can affect any part of the body, but often targets the limbs. CRPS is a complex condition and its underlying causes are still not fully understood. This lack of understanding makes treatment incredibly difficult. Traditional pain management strategies often provide little to no relief. The impact on quality of life is profound. The constant pain and limitations can lead to depression, anxiety, and social isolation. Sufferers are left grappling with a condition that steals their joy, independence, and overall well-being. CRPS is a stark reminder of the limitations we face in understanding and treating chronic pain. Current medical interventions for CRPS often fall short. Pain medications, while sometimes offering temporary relief, come with a host of side effects. They can lead to dependency and often lose their effectiveness over time. Physical therapy, another common treatment, can be helpful in maintaining mobility. However, it often does little to address the root cause of the pain. In some cases, it may even exacerbate the symptoms. Nerve blocks, which involve injecting anesthetics into the affected nerves, offer temporary reprieve for some. Yet these procedures don't provide a long-term solution and carry their own risks. For many CRPS sufferers, conventional medicine offers a frustrating cycle of trial and error. The lack of effective treatments underscores the urgent need for alternative approaches. Perhaps by looking beyond conventional methods, we can find new hope for those living with this debilitating condition. The carnivore diet, a radical departure from conventional dietary wisdom, is gaining traction. This way of eating strips away the complexities of modern food. It focuses solely on animal-based products. Imagine a plate filled with nutrient-dense meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. This is the essence of the carnivore diet. Proponents believe that by eliminating plant-based foods, we can reduce inflammation. They suggest this could potentially address the root cause of many chronic illnesses. The diet is a throwback to our ancestral past, a time when our ancestors thrived on a diet primarily composed of animal foods. Advocates argue that our bodies are evolutionarily adapted to this way of eating. They suggest that modern, plant-based diets are contributing to a rise in chronic diseases. While the carnivore diet is restrictive, its simplicity and potential benefits have sparked growing interest. Could this way of eating hold the key to unlocking relief for CRPS sufferers? Section 4. Taming the Flames. How a carnivore diet might combat CRPS. Inflammation, a key player in many chronic diseases, is believed to contribute to CRPS. The carnivore diet, by eliminating potential inflammatory triggers found in plant foods, may help reduce overall inflammation. This dietary approach focuses on nutrient-dense animal foods. These foods are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids that support a healthy inflammatory response. By eliminating processed foods, sugars, and inflammatory plant compounds, the carnivore diet may create an environment that allows the body to heal. Furthermore, the diet's emphasis on animal fats provides an abundance of cholesterol. Cholesterol is a crucial building block for hormones and plays a vital role in maintaining the integrity of our nervous system. By nourishing the nervous system, the carnivore diet may help regulate pain signals. This could potentially reduce the severity and frequency of CRPS flare-ups. Section 5. Glimmers of Hope. Anecdotal evidence and the path forward. While scientific research on the carnivore diet and CRPS is still in its infancy, anecdotal evidence is emerging. Individuals with CRPS are sharing their experiences online, reporting significant reductions in pain and improvements in their quality of life after adopting this way of eating. These stories, while not conclusive proof, offer a glimmer of hope. They suggest that the carnivore diet may hold promise as a potential therapeutic approach for CRPS. One individual, a young woman who had been struggling with CRPS for years, reported a dramatic decrease in her pain levels after switching to a carnivore diet. She described finally being able to engage in activities she'd long given up on, like gardening and spending time outdoors. These anecdotal accounts, while encouraging, highlight the need for rigorous scientific investigation. Further research is crucial to understand the long-term effects and suitability of this dietary approach. As we delve deeper into the potential benefits of the carnivore diet, we must remain open to exploring all avenues that may provide relief and improve the lives of those living with CRPS.